Can arbitration settle wrongful termination claims? Imagine losing your job and wondering if there's a way to settle the dispute without going to court. Many employees ask if arbitration can help resolve wrongful termination claims. Arbitration is a process where a neutral third person, called an arbitrator, listens to both sides and makes a decision. It is often used instead of traditional court cases for employment disputes. When an employee believes they were fired unfairly, they may consider arbitration if their employment contract includes it. Wrongful termination happens when an employee is fired for reasons that break the law or violate their contract. Examples include being fired because of discrimination, retaliation, or whistleblowing. Employees can seek compensation or ask to be reinstated if they win their case. Many employment contracts include arbitration clauses, which requiring employees to settle disputes through arbitration instead of court. This can make the process faster and less costly for both sides. Arbitration hearings are private, so details of the case stay out of the public. But arbitration has some limits. The process is less transparent than court trials, and employees usually have fewer options to appeal the arbitrator's decision. Sometimes, the arbitrator might be biased, especially if the employer chooses them or if the agreement limits employee rights. Studies show employees might have a lower chance of winning wrongful termination cases in arbitration compared to court. Still, arbitration can work well for wrongful termination claims that involve clear contract terms or straightforward facts. It often resolves disputes quicker, sometimes in just a few months. Employees should carefully read any arbitration agreement before signing and consider consulting a lawyer. Employers should ensure arbitration clauses are fair and do not restrict legal protections. In the end, arbitration can be a good way to settle wrongful termination claims, but its success depends on the specific case and the fairness of the agreement. It's important to weigh the pros and cons and get legal advice if needed.